And finally, and most importantly, empower yourself. Listen to the free webinars and be open to accepting new ideas. Learn new concepts and embrace technology and all the new things that are coming towards us. Play, imagine, compose, explore new music, and listen to what your students are interested in learning and writing about. And finally, empower yourself with continued professional development in the Ultimate Music Theory Certification course. The UMTC course is an exclusive teacher training that covers much, much more than just learning how to teach music theory. I'd like to introduce you to our special guest, Hannah Weston. Hannah is an amazing success story who went from not feeling very confident in her teaching of theory to having her very first student, upon completion of the certification course, score 100% on her exam. Hannah and her student are in the 100% club. Here she is to tell you in her own words.
Good morning, UMT, Glory and Sheila. My name is Hannah Weston. I am from Revelstoke, BC. I'm a piano and theory teacher. I first came across UMT a year or two ago. I had to teach one of my students theory so she could get her level, I believe, 5 RCM certificate. I did not want to teach theory. I was pretty freaked out by it. I had taken my exams a couple years previous, but kind of went in one ear and out the other, so I didn't really remember it and was not in any way confident to begin teaching it. Where do you even start? Luckily, my colleague had a student who was going independently through UMT and allowed me to look through their book. That was really nice because I got to see the incredible layout, the easy to read layout, I should say, of the UMT curriculum. There are so many things to try and think about when you're teaching it that the lesson plans online really helped me try and figure out my lessons, but I still did not feel confident. I saw the lesson plans, but I had this very intellectual student who would ask me questions that I hardly ever knew the answer to. Then I saw the UMT certification course and decided to look into that, and I'm very glad I did. It went through basic, intermediate, and advanced rudiments. It completely refreshed my memory. I bought the app at the same time, which blew my mind. I am not good at Italian terms at all, and now I know my Italian terms pretty darn well. So after I took that course, my confidence just soared, and I was able to teach my student relatively well. So well, in fact, that I'm going to brag here a little bit. She got 100% on her first exam. Yes, 100%. Now, currently, I just finished doing this book, actually, with 2 of my students. They did their final exam the other day, and they're going to start the new Level 1 supplementary book that Gloria and Sheila have been working on for so long. I'm very excited to look into those, and the music composition and the history, love those. So excited to see those. I'm also, my other thing that I'm doing this year that I've never done before, and it has to do with theory, is I'm doing a theory camp over spring break. So I'm allowing students to come into the studio, and we're going to spend some intensive time on theory so that we can do it a little bit easier and just kind of walk through it for the rest of the year in our own private lessons. So I'm looking forward to that quite a bit. So thank you, Sheila and Glory, for making such a fabulous program. I look forward to all your new books.
Thank you, Hannah. To learn more about the UMTC course, simply go to ultimatemusictheorycourse.com.